Before you consider buying Apptivo for your help desk software, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know. You'll want to watch this to the end, as we'll not only dive into its features, but also compare it to other popular options to see if it's the best fit for you. First, Apptivo's pricing structure is one of its key selling points. While it offers a basic free plan, its paid plans start at $10 per user per month. But if you're comparing this to competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk, Apptivo is generally more affordable, especially for smaller teams. Next, Apptivo integrates with a lot of popular apps like Google Workspace, Office 365, and QuickBooks. This makes it a versatile choice for businesses already using these tools. However, it's worth noting that its integrations might not be as seamless or extensive as those of higher-end platforms like Zendesk, which boasts a far wider array of integrations. The third thing to know is that Apptivo offers a robust ticket management system. You can easily create, track, and assign tickets, and it also allows for multi-channel support, including email and phone. This is comparable to Zensk's ticketing features, but some users report that Apptivo's interface can feel a bit more cluttered. Now, the fourth thing, Apptivo has a customizability edge. Unlike many competitors, it allows you to fully customize the dashboard, ticket fields, and workflows, giving businesses more flexibility. But if you're looking for simplicity, this level of customization can become overwhelming, especially when compared to more intuitive platforms like Freshdesk. The fifth point to mention is the mobile app. Apptivo's mobile app is decent for managing tickets and responding to customers on the go. But if we compare it to Zendesk's mobile app, which is generally rated higher for user-friendliness, Apptivo falls short in this department. Next, Apptivo's reporting tools are a mixed bag. You get basic reporting on ticket resolution times, customer satisfaction, and agent performance. But if you're looking for more in-depth analytics or custom reports, you may find platforms like Freshdesk or Zohodesk to be more robust and user-friendly. The seventh thing is that Apptivo offers limited automation options compared to top-tier competitors. While it can handle basic tasks like auto-assigning tickets or sending follow-up emails, you won't find the same depth of automation available in tools like Zendesk or ServiceNow. Next, the eighth thing to keep in mind is Apptivo's knowledge base feature. It's a great tool for self-service, letting you build a library of articles and FAQs for your customers. However, when you compare it to competitors like Freshdesk's advanced knowledge base, Apptivo's might feel a little basic and less intuitive. The ninth point is Apptivo's multi-language support. It does offer it, but the language options are limited compared to a platform like Zendesk, which supports over 40 languages, making it a better option for global businesses. The 10th thing to know is Apptivo's support options. They offer 24/7 support via email and live chat, but phone support is only available with higher tier plans. This is a limitation compared to competitors like Freshdesk, which offers phone support even on their basic plans. Next, Apptivo provides a fairly decent level of security with features like SSL encryption and two-factor authentication. But when compared to more enterprise-focused solutions like ServiceNow or Zendesk, it doesn't quite have the same level of security features and compliance certifications. The 12th and final thing is that Apptivo's scalability can be a bit tricky. While it works great for small to mid-sized businesses, it may not be the best solution as your company grows. Larger enterprises may find more robust platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk better equipped to handle high volumes of tickets and complex workflows. So, is Apptivo a good option for you? It's affordable, customizable, and packed with essential features. But if you're looking for a more feature-rich, scalable, and user-friendly help desk solution, you might want to check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free.